So my sister bought these two Flowerpot VP9 lamps from an Instagram ad from a web page that was fake, selling fake items as real. They were priced a little bit better than the real ones, but certainly not if you were to buy these lamps directly. They go for around $30 or so, these replicas of the real Flowerpot VP9. And she got suspicious when she got the tracking number from China. Luckily, she got all of her money back, but when they arrived at our local postage office, I told her to pick them up, even though she needed to pay for the import tax of these, because I was really interested to have a look at these lamps and compare them to real ones. So here we have a real VP9 lamp. It feels much heavier. All of the plastics are of much higher quality. They certainly looks almost identical when it comes down to all of the smaller details. Of course you see that the fake one is nothing like the real one. It's much lighter, like only 1/3 or 1/4 of the weight. The charging mechanism is different. The plastic thickness is different. This is like rattling a little bit around. It's missing the logos, of course, and such. But looking on the inside, I think the inside looks okay. I haven't tested the battery, but the run time of it is around 3-4 hours, so that is more than good enough. And all of the components on the inside seems to be out of high quality, and they have put some thought into the logic on the logic boards and how they were to operate. And I suspect a lot of these parts here are used in a lot of different lamps, and in this case here they just use them to replicate and make this fake Flowerpot VP9 lamp. So you got the touch controls like the real one, but the charging mechanism uses a USB-C cable. Maybe the new VP9s also do that, I'm not sure. But also this lamp here have like 3 different kind of color temperatures, which is nice. Pure yellow, white, and then a little bit of more bluish white, I think. So if you buy this as a fake lamp for like $20-30, yeah, they look okay and work as intended, and the quality is not good, but it won't break down at least. But if you compare this to a real one, and if you buy this to pull it off or say to other people that is a real one, everybody can tell instantly that this is not a real one. So of course she didn't want to have the lamps, and therefore I got them. And I don't really care about if they are real or not, and I'm not all that interested in interior decorations, but I think they look nice.